Yeah, Morgan, I was here to give you this whole big update about where we stand with the wildfire situation and to tell you no active flames burning. And look who drove in, Jay Leno, in this old-fashioned fire truck. What are you doing down here?
1941, it's not an old-fashioned fire truck. It's a 1941 fire truck. Fires have always been in fashion, believe me. So that, yeah, it's pretty.
You came down to the command center. Why?
Well, we're giving out food. We're feeding the firemen, and you know, people bring them box lunches and say, we got nice hot food, and it's like giving away free money. It's like, oh my God, you know, they're so excited, and believe me, these people can eat. Oh my God, you know.
So you come down here, but you've seen the damage.
I've seen the damage. Yeah, it's horrible. I mean, it's you know, if there's one you try to find the positive side, and the sense of community here. I was at Bagram Air Force Base in Afghanistan, and this is exactly like these LA fire department is probably the best fire department in the world because it's set up just like a military. You have a hospital area here, you got guys sleeping in tents over here, food is here, this is this. Everybody knows exactly what they're supposed to do. They're all highly trained. I mean, it's really done with military precision. And the idea of people want to blame this guy and this person didn't do this bill, these are 100-mile-an-hour winds with fire in them.
Yeah.
I don't know how you stop that. You know, this is unprecedented. It hasn't happened before. I think the last time it happened, I think, was 1962, but all those people are dead.
And they're out there mopping up the hot spots right now.
Right.
And Cal Fire told me they actually sleep out there. They're out there. They lay down in the dirt for a couple hours and try to sleep a little bit, and then get back up and go back at it today because the threat's not over in those Santa Ana winds. The red flag warnings persist. John?